like you so much, we're gonna try it with you.
This one's not good. I've already tried this one. Okay, ready?
It's still in your mouth. I want another one.
I just don't like the way it feels. I don't like the way that feels.
Let him cleanse his palate with something. Give him this one and let him cleanse his palate.
No, here. You need to whisper. That's awful.
How awful?
Pretty awful.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.